Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video we're talking about how to pay with PayPal on Booking.com. So firstly, before doing anything, just make sure to check if PayPal is available. Not all hotels accept PayPal. And look for the PayPal logo under payment options during checkouts. So for example, let us choose London and for example Wild. And in here you will have to of course choose which one you want to reserve, so you can reserve in this one. So you can see Covenant Garden, just reserve. And then of course you have the choice for the price, right? So let me just uncheck this and I will check this, for example, 1. So as you can see, there is no PayPal to be found in here, I guess. So it's not available probably. Press I reserve. So guys, pretty much not every hotel supports this, okay? So make sure to understand. But if it does, as you can see at this checkout screen, we have to put in and fill in all of the information. You will have PayPal here if it's supported. And once paid, you'll get a Booking.com confirmation email. Some hotels may still require a credit card at check-in. And if PayPal isn't showing up, you can try a different hotel. Some properties don't support PayPal. And if anything, also you can use a PayPal-linked card, which is a credit or debit card. So that's pretty much how this is done, guys. Just make sure to understand that not all reservations support PayPal. And that's pretty much it. And I hope this assisted you guys. If it did, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon.